Hello students, welcome to question hour session of Ajmal IS Academy. Here we will be discussing 5 MCQs from a daily newspaper, the Hindu and Indian Express. So let's start the session. Our first question is regarding the Shanti Act 2025. Statement 1 says it allows private companies to build, own and operate nuclear power plant. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says it replaced the Atomic Energy Act 1962 and the Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act 2010. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says it grants statutory status to the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes D, that is 1, 2 and 3. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is regarding the 10th schedule. Statement 1 says it was added by the 62nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1985. This is an incorrect statement as it was added by 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act. The 67th Constitutional Amendment Act extended the reservation of seats for SCs and STs in Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly. Statement 2 says it disqualifies legislature for voting against party whip. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says the Supreme Court upheld the 10th schedule in the Kyoto Holohan case. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 2 and 3, that is B. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is regarding liposomes. Statement 1 says they are tiny spherical double-layered structure. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says they are similar to biological cell membrane. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says liposome degrades DNA epithermers to release them inside cells. This is an incorrect statement as liposomes are designed to protect and encapsulate the DNA epithermers. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. Let's move on to the fourth question. The fourth question is regarding octopus. Statement 1 says they belong to the class of cephalopods. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says they often live in solitary and rarely encounter mates. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says female octopuses possess a specialized arm called hectocotyledus. This is an incorrect statement as the specialized arm is possessed by male octopus, not the female octopus, to identify the female octopus. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is B. Let's move on to the fifth and final question. The fifth and final question is regarding the best description of stagflation. Statement A says high economic growth with low inflation. Statement B says high inflation with high employment. Statement C says high inflation combined with high unemployment. And statement D says low inflation with rapid industrial growth. Here the correct answer is statement C, that is high inflation combined with high unemployment. That's all for today, and you can find all this question in our social media platform. Thank you.